Hello, I'm Hanna Von Reigen. I'm a medical student from Germany, and here's what's happening this week at Seattle Science Foundation. Wednesday morning, Dr. Shahram Majidi will present a talk entitled Endovascular Neuroprosthesis, the Next Frontier at our Cerebral Vascular Q&A discussion session. Dr. Joyce Lyer from Stanford University will be our guest Thursday morning at our Neurology Grand Rounds. And finally, Saturday we will host our 14th annual multimodal treatment of spinal tumors course. This course focuses on the diagnosis and multidisciplinary management of patients with metastatic spine tumors, including experts in neurosurgery, radiation oncology, neuro-oncology, medical oncology, pain management, and radiology. The course explores the multimodal management of spinal metastasis, including radiation, surgery, and pain management. As always, you can register for any of our courses at ssfcme.org. And thank you for supporting Seattle Science Foundation.